After parking your car, you're required to make your way to the Campus Rec Center in order to pick up your keys and have your room key cards encoded. This is a crucial step, so please be sure to visit the Campus Rec Center before resuming your move-in route. First up, the lofts. This residential hall is on the opposite side, so please be sure to follow the signs that indicate a path to the lofts. Towers. Please utilize the right lane to make the drop-off in order to ensure that the flow of traffic is not blocked. Next, Cougar Village 1. You can turn right and go all the way to the breezeway. Next, Cougar Village 2. Turn right and go all the way to the entrance. Next, the quads. Be sure to follow the road all the way to the front of the quads. Next, Cougar Place. This is the last stop on this route and will go all the way across the TDECU Stadium. All residents of Bayou Oaks can directly park and check in at the complex. You do not need to visit the rec center. Remember, the routes to each residential hall will be color-coded, so be on the lookout for that.